In this video, I'll explain whether Surfshark is worth it for casual internet users. Surfshark is one of the most popular VPNs today because it offers premium features at a low price and lets you use one account on unlimited devices. That means your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, and even other family members can stay protected at the same time. And if you want to try Surfshark with a discount, the link is in the description. Let's walk through what it offers and why it might be perfect for casual everyday users. First, privacy. When you connect to Surfshark, all your online activity gets encrypted. This means no one, not your internet provider, your school Wi-Fi, or even public hotspots, can see what you're doing online. This is extremely useful if you use public Wi-Fi at airports, cafes, libraries, or universities where your data is more vulnerable. Next, Surfshark hides your IP address. Normally, websites can see your real location and device information. With Surfshark, your traffic gets routed through one of their servers in another country, adding a layer of privacy and protection. Now let's talk about streaming and entertainment. Many casual users want a VPN to unlock content from other regions. For example, if a show isn't available on Netflix in your country but exists in another region, Surfshark makes it easy. Just open the app, scroll through the list of available countries, and connect to the region you want. Once connected, refresh Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, or other platforms, and you'll see content from that region instantly. It also works great for accessing anime libraries in Japan, Hollywood movies in the US, or regional Spanish content from Latin America. Surfshark also includes extra features that help casual users without needing any manual setup. Clean Web blocks ads, trackers, and many malicious websites automatically. The kill switch keeps you protected by shutting off the internet if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. And with unlimited device connections, you don't have to worry about hitting a limit like other VPNs that cap you at 5 or 6 devices. Using Surfshark is very simple. After installing the app on your device, log in with your account. On the main screen, you can click Quick Connect to automatically connect to the fastest server, or you can scroll and pick any country manually. Once connected, you can browse normally. There's nothing technical you need to change. So is Surfshark worth it for casual users? Yes, if you want simple one-click privacy, access to streaming libraries, and protection from ads and trackers, Surfshark is one of the best choices. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and you can use it on all your devices at once. If you want to try Surfshark VPN at a discount, the link is in the description.